let's dive into Ableton. And you know, this is feeling pretty good. I almost want to dress it down a little bit, right? So like, two things I want to try. I want to try monoing this, and I want to try cutting the highs and just see how that feels. It's a little bit better, right? And I'm almost thinking, what if this secondary snare had a little bit more reverb to it? And then we could like really compress it all together, really squeeze it. That would be cool. Something like this. Really minimal amount of reverb is what we're looking for. All right, now let's run it through an 1176. Whoo, that is punishing. I want to do a little additive EQ after the compression where we just kind of bring that kick a little bit more forward. There we go. Okay. Okay, I think this is kind of what we're doing, right? Okay, this is cool. Now let's get some sidechain going on to like really glue these together. All right, we're not gonna hear this top guy. We're gonna just use the signal from him. And it's kind of a question of, do we want the snare as well in our sidechain signal? We'll figure it out, you know. All right. I want to kind of shave some of those highs and boost some of these lows. Might even play around with a little bit of radiator. Just a little bit of distortion on it. I might even take a little bit of that sidechain. Probably not like everything that we laid over here, but like this. Here we go. Oh, what is this? Alright, let's start expanding out this arrangement a bit. Maybe a little drop out over here. Yeah, maybe we get that little pickup to that snare. We'll hit him with another dropout over here. This guy might be a little bit longer. I'm kind of thinking maybe we come in with like a brass element. And we could kind of minimize this guy, throwing him into a vinyl filter or something. Yeah, now he's like a lot more subtle. We could kind of like really minimize this. See if we can get him to fit in here. even shave this down even more because we need it to be more in the background, like. And when we play them out on like some of this. We'll probably drop the we'll drop the bass there. And we'll just start to fade over here. Okay, I think we got a beat here, guys.